Welcome back, foodies. Today, we have a mouthwatering recipe for you: aromatic chicken curry. It's packed with bold flavors and is perfect for any occasion. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 pounds of boneless chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 2 medium-sized onions, finely chopped. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. 2 teaspoons of ground coriander. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, adjust to taste. 1 cup of plain yogurt. 1 cup of tomato puree. 1 cup of chicken broth. Salt to taste. Fresh cilantro for garnish. We'll heat the vegetable oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once it's hot, add the chopped onions and sauté until they turn golden brown. Next, we'll add the minced garlic and grated ginger. Stir them in and let the aromas meld together for a minute or two. Now, it's time to add the spices: cumin, coriander, turmeric, chili powder. Give them a quick stir to release their flavors. Once the spices are well incorporated, we'll add the chicken pieces. Coat them evenly with the spice mixture and cook until the chicken is no longer pink. Now, let's add plain yogurt, tomato puree, chicken broth. These ingredients will create a creamy and flavorful sauce for our curry. To enhance the flavors, we'll add some salt to taste. Remember, you can always adjust the spice level according to your preference. Now, cover the pan and let the chicken simmer on low heat for about 20 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld together beautifully. While the curry is simmering, let's take a moment to appreciate the wonderful aroma filling the kitchen. It's absolutely tantalizing. And voila! Our aromatic chicken curry is ready to be served. Serve this delicious curry with steamed rice or warm naan bread, and enjoy a taste of heaven. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delectable recipes like this. Until next time, happy cooking!